Hi, I am going to whip up some barbecue bacon wrapped shrimp. And I promised I'd show you guys how I do this. It's super simple. I mentioned it in a previous video of mine because I got some more of the barbecue seasoning at Trader Joe's. So let me show you what it's all about, how to make it. And yeah, let's do some barbecue bacon wrapped shrimp. So this is what you're going to need. However many pieces of shrimp that you're going to want to eat, depending on the amount of people that are going to be eating it. And then you'll need 1 piece of bacon for every 2 shrimp. So you can figure that out math-wise, whatever your favorite barbecue sauce is. And then this is the most wonderful stuff that I was talking about. It's from Trader Joe's. It's the barbecue rub and seasoning with coffee and garlic. So good. And then you're gonna need either toothpicks, or I get these they're a little bit longer than a toothpick. They just really help a lot. Toothpick size works too, but any kind of little skewery thing like this. Okay, let's start prepping. Okay, first let's talk shrimp. I get the larger-ish type. I get them uncooked and deveined, and usually they come still with the little tail part on, but I take that part off. So however you want to buy your shrimp, you're going to get it to the point where it is raw, deveined, and no tail on at all, completely naked. Okay, so fix your shrimp, get it all ready to this stage. Okay, then once I have that taken care of, I sprinkle a whole bunch of the barbecue seasoning on the shrimp and let that sit for a bit. Then I take the bacon, and after I've counted how many shrimp there are, I get half as many pieces of bacon because I'm going to cut them in half. And sometimes I cut the extra fatty part off the end too. It's just me. So I get the bacon started. I just put the pieces in the microwave for about 2 minutes, and that gets the cooking process started, and they're still easy to wrap around the shrimp. So about 2 minutes in the microwave is what works for me. And once I've done that, I take the bacon, I wrap it around the shrimp, and I stick a toothpick thing in there to secure the bacon to the shrimp. then once I've done that, I have a plate full of the bacon wrapped shrimp, and I re-sprinkle it with a little bit more of that seasoning because it is so good. Preheat your grill to medium high, and then once that's heated up, you put these on the grill. I'm preheating my grill somewhere, you know, I don't know, around the 400 mark is what I usually do. Then honestly, I just sort of keep an eye on them. I put the lid back on, and I just let them on there for a couple minutes, and I take a look, and if the bacon starts looking like it's getting cooked, I turn them over at that point in time, let that side cook for a little bit, and then I start putting the barbecue sauce on top. And I have the barbecue sauce ready here. At this point, seriously, I just kind of eyeball it. I make sure the bacon's cooked enough. I don't want to overdo the shrimp, but you know, seriously, shrimp only takes a couple minutes, and this always takes a little bit longer, but the shrimp is always still fine. I've never done it where the shrimp seemed overcooked. It still works out somehow. So just sort of make sure the barbecue sauce is heated enough on each side and sort of caramelized. The bacon's cooked. The shrimp, of course, will be, and you're good. And if you want to soak the little skewers, toothpicks, or whatever ahead of time, feel free to do that. They tend to burn up a little bit when you don't, but again, I've never had a problem with that, but that's just me. So once, I think they're getting just real close to being done. As I open up the lid and do the flipping and stuff, the heat goes down. So it's never always on medium high. It goes down further, which is good because it just gives it a little bit longer time to cook, and it doesn't overdo it or burn anything. So it's really, really good. So I'm gonna take these off the grill here in a minute, cool down, and we're gonna try one. Okay, this is basically how you want them to look. Perfect one right there. Let's take them off. This is the one I'm cooling off so I can pop this thing in my mouth. Yum. Here's the one I grabbed because the bacon's kind of coming off and it's falling apart a little bit, which is kind of perfect. Normally I would do this in a couple bites. I don't know. I don't think I can put this whole thing in my mouth. Got the end of the shrimp first. Oh my gosh. It is so good. I don't know, can I do it? So good. If this appeals to you at all, give it a try. You're gonna love it, and everyone you serve it to will love it too. I promise you that. Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye.